Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to remove fill color from a PDF file text. I'll remove this fill color from this text. Click this home option already selected and select this down arrow, this edit option and select text. Now click on this text box and drag your mouse cursor, select text and you want to remove fill color and select format option. Now click on the fill down arrow and here you will find this none. This all of this fill color text now white and also remove this text fill color no and press Ctrl A. I'll reapply here black color and see this. In this way you can remove or re-add or recolor your text. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.